all. We are going to start with our ninth lesson, that is decimal fractions. So basically what is meant by decimal fractions? The fractions in which the denominator is 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh and so on. I am repeating again, the fractions in which the denominators are 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh and so on. Not 200, not 300, not like that. Denominator should be 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh and so on. So you can clearly see over decimal fractions are the fractions in which denominator should be 10, 100. You can say these are the decimal fractions because here the denominators are 100 and 10. Can I say these as the decimal fraction? No. Can I say this as a decimal fraction? No. Why? Because the denominators are not 10, 100 and like that. They are 9, they are 200, something like this. So, the denominators should be specifically 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh and so on. Okay? So, next part we are going to see about the decimal point. Now, you will be having how to convert a decimal fraction into decimal point and decimal point into decimal fraction. So, decimal point is the point which is given between two numbers. For example, if I have told you 6.8. So, this point which is there, that is only called as decimal fraction. Sorry, decimal number. Okay? So, it is called as decimal point. For example, now 6.86. This number is there. This is a decimal number. And this point which is present in between, it is called as decimal point. So now we are going to see how to read it. How we are going to read the decimal numbers. This number I can read aloud as 8. Middle point is that I am going to write as point and 5. 8.5. How I am going to read this number? 8 point. You are not going to say 47. You are going to say 47. What? It is 47. If I give you another number, 9.06. How we are going to read this? It's 9.06. Okay? So we will see the next part of this. So now you can see near the board we are going to convert a decimal fraction into decimal number and decimal number into decimal fraction. You will be thinking what teacher is going on saying decimal. It is very easy, just pay attention over here. So this is the decimal fraction. Why I can say this is the decimal fraction? Because denominator you can say it is 10. I have already told in the definition when the denominators are 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on. Basically for your class you will be having up till 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000, not more than that. Okay, you can see over here 10, over here 10, 100, here 1000. So these are the decimal fractions. We are going to convert them into decimal number. Decimal number means what? There should be a point in between. So how? In what way? That just see near the board. 8 upon 10. Whichever number is present, just write on as it is. Whichever number is present on the numerator, write as it is. Okay, you have written that number 8. Now just count the zeros. How many zeros are present over here? Only one zero. So leave one place, leave this place and give point. 1 0, so one place. That one place is this side. This much okay. And you are going to give point immediately and the answer will be 0.8. We will just clear this idea in the next question itself. What I said, write the number as it is over here. You have written? Okay. You are going to write the number 96 as it is over there. Now see how many zeros are here? 1 0. So leave one place and give point. Understood? From right hand side of my same of yours also. Right hand side you are going to leave one place and give point. Why one place? Because 1 0. If two places or 2 zeros were there, you are supposed to leave 2 places. Now just see over here. 9 upon 100. You are going to write the numerator as it is. Fine? How many zeros are present? 2 zeros. So you are going to leave 2 places. places 1, 2. And what you are going to give? Point. Now these 2 places, the second place I don't have any number. So when I don't have any number, I am going to fill it with 0 and here also 0. So my answer will be 0.09. Now you can see in the next question. Yes, the next question is 6 upon 1000. So what I will do? I will write the numerator as it is. How many zeros are present over here? You can see 3 zeros are present. So how many places I will give? 1, 2, 3 places. And then I am going to give the point. Okay? So these places I am going to fill by 0. So I got my answer. I hope you have understood this. So we will focus on the next part, that is conversion of decimal number into decimal fraction. We want something base like down on the denominator side you want 10, 100, 1000 and so on. 9.7 decimal number is given to you. You want to convert it into fraction. So somewhere about numerator and denominator should come. 9.7. Write without decimal point as it is 97. What will be at the denominator? Just focus. After one number point is there. So 1 0. Clear? 10.07. What you will do? You write a number without 0. This is your number. This will be at the numerator place. And after decimal, how many numbers are here? 2 numbers are present. So 2 zeros. 1 and 2 zeros over here. Okay? Now 8.6. 86 you will write. After number decimal is there, 1 number. So 1 and 0. Here you can see 5 is there present only on the top. 0.005 is there 5 itself. Zeros in the preceding has no value. 5 upon. How many places are here present? 1, 2, 3. 3 places and after that point is there. So 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. I hope you have understood this. We will see the conversion of mixed fraction into decimal form. We are going to see. So now we are going to see the mixed fraction into decimal number. We are going to convert a mixed fraction into decimal number. Now you will be knowing what is meant by mixed fraction. It is in the combination of a number, proper number, integer and fraction. So this conversion of mixed fraction into decimal number. So how we are going to do, just see over here. 3.39 upon 10 it is. So we are going to write 3 as it is. The first number you are going to write as it is and just give the point over here. What you will do? You are going to write 3. You are going to place the point over here. And 9 upon 10. Just now we have seen how to convert this into number, decimal number. Numerator I am going to write as it is. Okay? 1 0. So 1 0 is present. So after one number you are going to give point. So 0.9. So after point which number is there? 9. So this 9 is going to come over here. Okay? So this is for your calculative part. Now you can see for the next part. 1. You are going to write 1 as it is and you are going to give point. This 4 upon 10 you can see over here. 4 upon 10 means what? Numerator 4 you will write as it is. 1 0. Therefore one number, point and over here 0. Fine. So this after point one number is there, that is 4. So that number you are going to place over here. So the answer will be 1.4. You will go see in the next part. 5 3 upon 100. 5 you are going to write as it is. 3 upon 100. Okay. How I am going to convert the 3 upon 100? Just don't look up 5 now. 3 upon 100 I will write numerator as it is. 2 zeros are here. So 2 places and I am going to give the point and 0.03. So this after point which number is there? 03. So after point I am going to write over here 03. Okay. So now focus on the next part. 9 I am going to write as it is. I am going to give point. 1 upon 1000. So numerator I will write one time. How many zeros are here? 3 zeros. So 3 places 1, 2, 3 and then I am going to give point. Here 0, here 0 and here 0. Okay. So after point which number is there? 0, 0, 1. So 0, 0, 1. I hope you have understood this. The next part I will just going to show you. So now we are going to see the place value of a decimal number. How we are going to represent it and what is actually the places. Okay, basically we were knowing over here for a proper number without a decimal point 68. This was the unit place and this was the tens place. So same part you are having over here. You can see over here 73. So this is your unit place and this will be your, I'm just going to write a small letter. This will be your unit place and this will be your tens place. Fine. So after point, which are these numbers? What are we going to say them? The after point, the number which is coming, it is said to be as tenth. T-E-N-T-H. And after that number which is coming, it is said to be as hundredth. So that only we are going to write over here. So digits which are there, 7 is the digit, 3 is the digit, 8 is the digit, 2 is the digit. So digits are 7, 3, 8, 2. Fine. Their places. For which place they are standing. 7 is standing for tens place. So I am going to write over here tens. 3 is standing for unit place. 8 is standing for tenth place. Just see the word. Tenth. And 2 is standing for hundredth place. Just see, I have added this th at the end. So now our next part is to find out their place values. 7, what will be the place value over here? Tens you can see over here. That 7 you are going to write down multiplied by this 10. So the place value is what? 70. 3, you are going to take down unit. Unit means 1. So the place value of 3 over here is 3 itself. Now the main part is of this after decimal points. 8. Tenth means what? Tenth means you know it is 10. Tenth means what? 1's tenth part. That is 1 upon 10. Now 8 into 1 upon 10 they want. Basically if you know 1/10 means it is 8 into 1 is 8 upon 10. 8 into 1 is 8 upon 10. How I am going to write this? Because now only we have seen decimal fraction into decimal number. Numerator I will write as it is 1 0. So one number I will leave. I am going to give 0 over here. So my place value of 8 over here is 0.8. 2. 2 I am going to write as it is 100th. 10th means 1 upon 10. 100th means 1 upon 100. So 2 into 1 is 2. 100 will be done. So how I am going to convert this? 2 numerator I am going to write as it is 2 zeros. So 2 places and point. So my answer is 0.02. So these are the place values of a decimal number. The next part of this lesson we are going to study soon. Thank you.